In this video, now we're going to talk about, solving simultaneous equations using the elimination method. So the questions are going to be the same like the one I used in the substitution. So we can see that the answers will be the same. You can always cross-check. Right, starting with the simple one again, x plus y equals 5, x plus y equals 15, x minus y equals 3. Okay, so the next thing we have to decide which variable we want to eliminate. So here I want to eliminate, so eliminate x. Okay, I want to eliminate x. Now, for me to eliminate any variable for me to eliminate any variable, okay, their coefficients need to be the same, okay? Okay, at least at the same or numbers. The sign, it can be different. So example, the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1, obviously. The coefficient of x in equation 2 is also 1. So I can eliminate x. So let's say if the coefficient of x of equation 2 was, let's say, if we had 2x and 3x, I can't just eliminate x like that, because if I try to subtract this, it will still give me x. So what I would have to do some multiplication. Okay, but since, or this one, the coefficient of x is 1, okay, and in both situations, there's no need to multiply. Okay, so we want to eliminate x. So are the signs are the same? Okay, this is 1 and 1. Yeah, so what we're going to do is subtract. Okay, because this is plus 1 and plus 1. Okay, we're going to subtract, and we can choose to say, since 15 is the bigger number, I would say equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay, so we do it. So we have x plus y equals 15, x minus y equals 3. So we take it step by step. What is x minus x? That will be 0, that's out. Plus y minus y, okay? We have plus y minus y. If you open this bracket, this will be y plus y, this will be 2y. So this is plus 2y equals 15 minus 3. 15 minus 3, that will be 12. So we have 2y equals 12. If we divide both sides by the coefficient of y, so divide both sides by 2. So 2y divided by 2 equals 12 over 2. Y equals 6. Okay, so we got the answer as y equals 6. All right. And if we want to get x now, we can just replace y with 6 in equation 1. So let me do that here. X plus y equals 15. That means that x plus 6 equals 15. Move the 6 to the other side, becomes minus x equals 15 minus 6, x equals 9. So x is 9 and y is 6. Okay, let's now try and eliminate y. So let's see how that's going to play out. Okay, we eliminated x. Let's eliminate y and see how that plays out. Okay, so we can choose to eliminate y. Now, for the coefficients of y in equation 1, it's plus 1. Okay, and in equation 2, it is minus 1. Okay, so the numbers are the same, 1, 1, but the signs are different. Okay, this is plus 1, this is minus 1. So what we do is we're going to add, because the signs are the same. Sorry, the signs are different. If the signs are the same, okay, if the signs are the same, we subtract. If the signs of the coefficients are different, we add. Okay, this is plus 1 minus 1. So let's do that. So we have x plus y equals 15x minus y equals 3, and then we add equation 1 and 2. So let's do it one by one. X plus x, that will be 2x minus y, sorry, plus y plus minus y. That will also be y minus y, which is 0. So this is why we add, because if we add them, the different signs is going to give us 0. Okay, 2x equals 15 plus 3. That will be 18. What do? We divide both sides by 2. X equals 9. As you can see, here we got x equals 9. So if x is 9, y is also 6. So it depends on which one you want to eliminate, all right? Okay, so if you eliminate x, it's good for you. If you eliminate y, also fine. It's kind of your choice. Let's go to the ones, okay, let's go to this one now. Okay, we have 2x plus y, 4x plus y equals 17. Now, from here now, we can see that this coefficient of y here is the same, so we can actually eliminate y. Like, okay, are the signs the same? So we can choose eliminate y. So are the signs the same? Yes, so we subtract. Okay, so which one is this? We can do equation 1 minus equation 2 or equation 2 minus equation 1. I will go for equation 2 minus equation 1 because 17 is greater than 9 to give us a positive number. So 2x plus y equals 9, 4x plus y equals 17. So do it step by step. So equation 2 minus equation 1. 4x minus 2, that will be 4x minus 2x, that will be 2x. Y minus y, 0, 17. Okay, 17 minus 9, that is 8. So 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. So 2x 2 equals 8 over 2. X equals 4. Okay, since x equals 4, we can just replace x with 4 in equation 1. So let me do it on the next page. 2x plus y equals 9. That'll be 2. X equals 4, right? 4 plus y equals 9. 2 times 4 is 8 plus y equals 9. Can move to the 8 to the other side. Y equals 9 minus 8. Y equals 1. So x is 4. Y is 1. All right, so we can use either, okay, but let's also look at this now. If we wanted to eliminate x, we had 4x and 2x, so the coefficient of x are not the same. So we have to multiply both sides by a number, by different numbers that will make the coefficients the same. So what I can do is to multiply equation 1 by 2, and to multiply equation 1, I'll leave it times 1. Okay, so what this will give us, if we multiply each by 2, that will be 2x times 2, that's 4x, plus y times 2, that's 2y. 9 times 2 is 18. 4x plus y equals 17. So now we can eliminate because now the coefficients are the same. Okay, so you can try this and see what you get. You should obviously get the same answer. Okay, I'm already seeing y looks like 1 here, but you can try it on your own and see. Now let's come to this. So none of them have the same coefficients here. None of them. So which one do we want to eliminate? I will eliminate y because I think it's easier to multiply. You multiply with a lower number. Okay, you can also eliminate x if you want. Okay, we have, so eliminate y. Okay, so the coefficient of y in equation 2 is 4. The coefficient of y in equation 1 is -2. So what I can do is, I want the coefficients to be the same. So I'll multiply equation 1 by 2. I'll leave equation 1 just times 1. Okay, this will give us 5x times 2, that's 10x, minus 2y times 2, that's minus 4y, equals 6 times 2, that is 12. And then we'll leave the next one as 7x plus 4y equals 22. This is, you can still call this equation 1 if you want, and equation 2. Or you can call this equation 3 if you want to make, if you don't want to like, if you want to let people know that this, it's still the same thing, but you can write this as equation 1, okay, as your new equation 1, if you want. So now we can eliminate y. Are the signs, are the coefficients the same? Yes. Are the signs the same? No. So what are we going to do? We're going to add. This is plus 4y, this is minus 4y. So we can add. So we do 1 by 1. 10 plus 17, that'll be 17x. Minus 4 plus 4, that'll be 0, that cancels out. 12 plus 22, that will be 34. So 17x. So you can see from all this now, we just came here. 17x equals 24. So we divide both sides by 17. So x equals 2. Okay, so from all this, yeah, so this was the part where I was at surprised that x was equal to 2. Also, when I did the substitution method. So x is equal to 2. Okay, and if x is 2, we can just replace x with 2 in any equation. So replace x with 2 in equation 1. So we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 6, sorry. So it'll be 5 times 2 minus 2y is equal to 6. 5 times 2 is 10, minus 2y is equal to 6. Bring the 10 to the other side, we have minus 2y equals 6 minus 10, minus 2y equals 4, minus 4, sorry. Then we can divide both sides by minus 2, y will equal to 2. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, if you want to eliminate x, okay, so let's look at this equation now. So let me take to another page. 5x minus 2y equals 6. 7x plus 4y equals 22. Okay, I want to eliminate x. So the coefficient of x here is 5 and 7. So think of a number that can divide both. Okay, think of a number that can divide both 5 and 7. What comes to mind is 35. Okay, that's the best number we can use, 35. And that's the best number we can use, to be honest, if we don't want fractions. So what we can do, so to get 35, we have to multiply equation 1 by 7. And multiply equation 2 by 5. So when you're doing elimination, okay, or just like 2 and 4, think of a number that can divide both 2 and 4. 4, 4 can be divided by 4, 4 can be divided by 2. Okay, so here 5 and 7, it's actually, or I say think of the LCM. Yeah. Okay, so here it's 35, so we don't have a choice. Multiply by 7, multiply by 5, so that you get, if you do this, you get 35x minus 14y equals 42. You get 35x plus 20y equals 110. So yes, they are large numbers. So that's why, I mean, you can still solve it. It's nothing serious. Okay, they are large numbers, but then still solvable. So are the coefficients the same now? Yes. Are the signs the same? No. Yes, sorry. So sorry. The signs are the same. So it means we add, subtract, sorry. I know my train of thought seems to be leaving me. Okay, so I'm so sorry about that. We subtract, all right? We subtract. The coefficients are the same, the signs are the same, we subtract. So 35x minus 35x is gone. 14y minus 20y. Oh, I'm doing it equation 1 minus equation 2. So sure, no problem. 14y minus 20y, that will be minus 6y. Okay, 42 minus 110, that will be 2 minus 110, 4. Well, this is minus 14y minus 20y. So that will be minus 14y minus 20y. So that will be minus 34y. Sorry. I'm feeling dizzy. Okay, 42 minus 110, that will be minus 68. Okay, if we divide both sides by minus 34, y equals 2. All right, so we already got that y equals 2 before, x equals 2. So it's still the same thing. Okay, so this is our answer. Oh, ouch. So I'm very grateful if we're able to reach up to this side, up to this towards the end of the video, and thank you very much. If you could like and share and subscribe, I would really appreciate. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comments, and I will get to answering your questions. So thank you and have a nice day.